We've also got more cars coming. We need some clearing on the way. We've got a Tech Art GTR, which is a 911 Turbo S, which they built.
Yep.
We've got a DBS Aston Martin on the way. We've got a GT4 RS and the new GT3 RS. I bought both of those Porsches.
And a McLaren 765 LT.
Yeah, we got that. A Spider and Coupe. We've got the
McLaren, the Maserati MC20.
MC20 Spider. Bought that.
Are you forgetting all of our cars?
Yeah, I've got the Aston Martin Valhalla on the way.
That's going to be at least 2 years.
So what is that? 9 cars? Bought and paid for on the way?
Who's counting?
Who's counting?
Our haters. So they can run the license plates and find that they're fully paid for.
Yeah.
Enjoy.